Hey y'all, it's your boy Melqui and we're back for another vlog. So today, it's been a while no na hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. It's more than 5 years. So for today, ita-try natin yung how much yung gas consumption pag HAV mode. So our target SOC is 60%. So right now, so yung battery percentage natin ngayon is 42% na lang. Tapos yung target natin is 60%. So what the system will do is i-charge na niya yung battery from 42% to 60. Yung engine is aandar using the gas. At the same time, i-charge niya yung battery. So it's gonna be 24 lang yung aircon tapos 1 fan kasi ako lang mag-isa. So let's start with 42%. So tapos ito naman yung gas. So i-reset muna natin yung trip A. Ayan, reset na. So mode, it's HEV, eco mode. Okay, let's go. Yung travel ko is around, from home to office is around 15 kilometers. Tapos pabalik is 15 na naman. So around 30 kilometers. So it's moderate to heavy traffic. City driving lang. So let's go, try natin. So ayun, dumating na tayo sa destination from home to office. So it's around 16.7 kilometers. So, yes, na-charge natin from 42% to 58%. Tingnan natin how much yung gas consumption niya. So turn off muna para lalabas yung okay, yan. 16.7 kilometers, yung consumption niya is 1.4 liters. As you can see in the dashboard, so yung kilometer traveled is 16.7 kilometer divided by 1.4 liter. So yung average fuel consumption niya is 11.92 kilometer per liter. This was city driving with moderate to heavy traffic, so expected lang yung result kasi dalawa yung ginagawa ng engine at the same time, running the car while charging the battery. But once na ma-reach na yung 60% SOC, the system will just switch between EV and gas depending on the driving conditions. So it will simply maintain the battery around 60%. So for example, if the SOC drops to 59%, the engine will turn on again to charge it back to 60%, then switch it back as needed. So ito na, we're going home na. So ito. So yan, yung trip A natin kanina. From home to office is 16.7. So pauwi is maybe around lesser siguro. So our battery is 58%. And on SOC is 60%. So let's go. So we finally arrived na. So yung total kilometer is 31.9 kilometer. Okay, turn off natin. Tignan natin ilan yung nabawas. Ayan, lalabas yan. So ayan, 15.2 kilometers, 0.6 liters fuel consumption. So let's do the math kung ilan. So from office to home, the trip was around 15.2 kilometers and consume only 0.6 liters of gas. So that gives us an average of 25.3 km per liter for this trip alone. So mas tipid siya because the battery was already at 58% na. So the engine only turn on occasionally to maintain the 60% SOC target. So for the whole trip, round trip na, yung total distance is 31.9 km. Tapos yung fuel consume is 2 liters total. 1.4 liters kaninang umaga. Tapos pa uwi is 0.6 liters lang. So overall, yung fuel consumption is 15.95 km per liter. Overall, this shows how HEV mode works. Kapag mababa pa ang battery, mas mataas ang fuel consumption because the engine is running the car while charging the battery. But once the battery reaches the target SOC, the system only uses the engine when needed to maintain that level, resulting in better fuel economy over time.
That's it for this test. Hopefully you get a better idea on how BYD HEV mode works in real-world city driving. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ingat!